Hi everyone and welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this patch pocket. So first of all, you will want to decide the size of the pocket you intend to use. For me, I intend to use 10 by 10. So I measured 5 there and I mark, and then I measure 5 again here, I mark, and then I'll just cut it out. Now the reason I use 5 because the fabric is being folded. So when it is open, I'll get 10. So that's the reason why I'm using 5. But this other side, I just measure the 10 direct because it is not folded. So on that 10 part, I will mark and then I will cut it out. And now that I'm done cutting out, I'll just open up like this. And now it is 10 by 10. So next is for me to connect my pressing iron to power. I'll just put it on and then regulate it. This is the wrong side, while this is the right side of the patch pocket. So I'll just fold on both sides with half an inch. So now this is me folding with half an inch. After folding, I'll bring in my pressing iron and then I will take it down. If you are a returning subscriber, I will say thanks for always stopping by at my channel. I truly appreciate you. And if today is your first time stopping by, I'll please like you to subscribe and also hope you enjoy the reason you stopped by. So now I'm done with that side. I'll move over to this other side. I'll just fold with half an inch and then I'll bring it down with the pressing iron. Now the reason the pressing iron is being used is for it to have a neater look, because if you decide to sew and then fold, you might not be able to fold correctly. It might not be very neat. So it's always advisable first to bring it down with your pressing iron before you sew. So this is the bottom part. I'm folding with half an inch too. Now that I'm done, I'll move over to the top part. Now for the top part, you fold twice, one half an inch and second with 1 inch, just the way I did it. And then I'll bring it down also with my pressing iron. So now that I'm done bringing it down, I'll just turn it over. It's already having the shape of the patch pocket, as you can see. So I'll just place it on my fabric and then sew it right around. So let's move now to the sewing machine. So first of all, this top part, I will just sew on this side like this. So this is me sewing on that part, because that part is not supposed to go down. That's the opening part your hand is supposed to go through. Now that I'm done sewing, I'll just place it on the exact spot I want my patch pocket to be. So that is the exact spot, and I'll sew it right round like what I just did now. So I'll bring it under the machine and then I'll sew it right round. Please always remember to top stitch when you sew your at the beginning part when you are sewing your patch pocket, because if you don't top stitch that part, when you put your hand in, it will start loosening from that part. So please always top stitch. And this is what the pocket looks like. So if you enjoy watching this video, I would like you to subscribe for more videos like this. Like, share, and also give these videos a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.